to Precision Test Automation, myself Prabhat. Let's see what we have discussed in the previous section. Let me share my screen. Yeah. So in the previous section, we have learned to generate random email address and we seen how to use it in our automation test case. Means we can we can send that generated random email address to our email. But now question is, whatever we have generated, right, we will be sending emails to that. What are the email we have generated, we'll be sending the mails to that, and we need to read that mails, right? So for that we have another action called fetch random email body. In this, what happens, if you see, we are reading our generated email body, okay, and how we are reading. So if you want to read fetch email ID, then we can give suffix and prefix, okay, and we can store the name. Suffix means suffix of the mail body and prefix means prefix of the mail body, and test name 1 means we are storing as a test name 1. Okay, this is a syntax, a basic syntax. And how to use it, this is the way how can you use it. Now let's see practically what we are going to look into. So as I told, we are using one sec mail. Let's load this one. Another one is, I actually prepared this demo in earlier because it's a very difficult scenario to get. So let's take this one and add it here. Okay. So now using this website, we are sending email to here. Let's see how it works. Okay, this is optional. Give subject, like, can take for more automation. I am a test. This is our subject. I am a scriptless automation. This is I am fetching a random. I am testing a scriptless automation. Fetch random email body feature from the action. Now click on send. Our email got sent, right? Now refresh it. See, we are getting this. Now in our automation, what we are trying to do is we are now going to fetch this, okay, action keyword from our mail body. If you see here, okay, in the fetch random email body, we have fetching the scriptless automation. So this is will be the suffix, right? And feature from is our the prefix, and we are storing with the name of test name. And how we are using, can use in the custom here random. Okay, go to your custom class. Here we have called system.out.println. Here we have called this one is a test name. So in the global variables, it been stored as a test name. Again, we can use this we can use in our running scripts as well by using a global variables like store web variables. If you see here, what are the variables we have stored can be used by saying a global variable, right? We can actually come here and say, like, in some cases we can go to the email, right? So in the same way here, right, we are adding the email. Now what happened, I have another line. Now I did this extraction, right? I have used, right? Okay, come here, easy to explain here. Okay, now I want to send what are the generated data to here. Then I just need to use global variables colon test name. This is the syntax, right? See, global variable name test name. So like this, I can extract the test name variable value from the global variables, because whatever we are generating data will be stored in this, and we can fetch according to the name what we have given, right? In this case, we are just printing it. So I have created a custom class and we are executing this one. So let's run this framework once to understand how it works. Or we can do a debug. Let's do the debug. Okay, for clear understanding, we have already a debug point. Let's run on this. So here it's now going to fill. It's sending a mail sent. Now we can see. Let's go from here. There is the coding part, which is the open code part. We can go through it to understand more what happening. Now we can see what's happening here. Right now we are going to fetch it. See, it got fetched my random email body. Right. So this is all about our, sorry, it got missed. Go to the action. So this is all about the fetch random email body. So if you have any doubts on this, if you want to understand more scenarios on this part, please let me know in the comment section, so I can take scenarios and I can explain you about it. Thanks for your time.